Okay, so we're here at the store. Oh my gosh, my hair looks a mess. I know my curls didn't curl like I wanted it to curl. But we're here at the store and we're going to buy some meat because we're gonna make a carne asada. So yeah, come with us. Okay, so my dad's right here picking the avocados because yeah, this is like the perfect, pair carne asada with avocados. So here to pick some out. Obviously, I don't know if he picked the best ones. No, gracias, están muy verdes. Because these all look green. I didn't even check. I didn't see what he picked. So we're here at the meat area. We're gonna get the meat. Um, so my dad's asking for the meat because yeah, they should know. I don't really know what meat is the one that we use. I mean, I do, but like, so yeah, we're gonna get the meat right here. Hi to Alice's vlog. This is Denise here. This is my outfit of the day. She's wearing full denim. She's wearing full denim. They're telling me my hair looks really messy, which probably just because I didn't put any product in it. Like I did when I was like putting them in the rollers, but not like after. So yeah, we're gonna pick out some cookies because my mom wants some cookies. Um, these are like gantitos. These are bomb, bomb. If you're Mexican, you know. Those are like the Mexican version of the Twinkies. Bomb. Anyways, we're gonna pick some more stuff out. So my mom wants to play like spin the bottle with like cookies and stuff. So we're gonna take a packet of these, which are like assorted cookies, and we're gonna be like flip the bottle, and then like whoever like flips it standing up, like standing straight, then you get to choose a cookie. I know it's weird. Okay, so we're gonna get some plates and then the soda, and then I think that should be it. They already got some chips too. Okay, so we're not gonna get the sodas here because they're not cold. We're just gonna stop like at a gas station where usually they're cold. And yeah. So now we're gonna go pay. Okay, so we got to the park and there are like no tables and no grills. Like they be stealing all of them. So it's super packed and there's like nowhere to like park and like there's no tables. So now we don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to another small park that may have some space, some grills, so we can cook the meat because or else how are we gonna cook it? Okay, y'all. So like right here, there's tables, but like there's nowhere to like cook. Like they don't have any grills here. Like look how pretty it looks. A lot of people sometimes come swimming in here, and I wouldn't really recommend that because like there's like a lot of ducks and it's like super stinky there. But I mean, I don't know. You do you, but I guess. Anyways, look how pretty it looks. Right here it looks empty, but over there we were on that side, and it's so full. Like there's nowhere to. There's no tables. All the tables are gone, and there's a lot of people. Like, let me show you guys the other side. Yeah, I think we just found a table. We just saw one that has a grill next to it. So I hopefully if nobody wants us to it, then we're gonna be using that one. It's kind of in the middle, so we're gonna see how it like works out. But like, look how pretty it is during this time. It's always so green. It's like the trees just the vibes are there. Like I'm gonna take some bomb pictures here, and like look, it's pretty filled. Like look at all the cars, car after car after car. We're gonna go to that table. I don't know if you guys were able to see that, but yeah. So yeah. Okay, they sent me to check the grill because last time, sometimes there's some that don't even work. So I'm gonna come check to see if it's like good, so we can cook here. But let me see. So it seems like it works fine. Like it has both of the handles on the side. Still kind of seems warm. Like maybe some people just left. But it just has some trash there. Has one table, but like whatever. We'll make it work. Look how pretty it is. So greeny grass from like. But anyways, look at my hair, y'all. Is it like calming down a little bit? Because it was like a bigger mess. But anyways, I'm gonna like stay here just to like guard our table so nobody comes and takes it because people are like roaming around like trying to see where it's empty so they can come and have like whatever they're doing. But yeah, I'm gonna just wait here until they come. They just parked, so they're gonna get the stuff out of the car. About me, drinks, plates. It's gonna be a little fun, like Saturday, just here chilling in the park, in the river. But yeah, I just saw a crow. Last time my dad catched a crow at his job at his work, and supposedly they're really really smart. Should I like try to like tame one, have it like as like a pet? I heard that they like if you like feed them or like befriend them, like they'll follow you everywhere. Like I don't know, but maybe I'll befriend a raven. Look, y'all, the raven, or I don't know, is it a raven or a crow? But it's all the way over there. Okay, so we brought the sodas, and they have the chips. While we wait, they bought the blue takis and some chips while we wait. My brother bought. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. My brother bought his whole toys because he. I don't know, yeah, and he's all the way over there. I think he's gonna try to climb that tree. Wesley, he's probably looking for like squirrels. There's always squirrels here, like fat squirrels. Like they just sometimes they're very friendly because people tend to feed them a lot. So they just if they hear like a bag of chips or something, they'll just go and like try to like um go near you. But look how pretty it looks. Oh, some pictures here. Oh my gosh, so nice. Anyways, okay, so now we're just kind of waiting for the fire. Like they already started it, but now we're just like sitting right here, eating the chips while it's ready. Just waiting. It's really fresh. Good thing I brought my sweater because it's kind of getting chilly, but yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna be playing the bottle flip challenge. We have the a water bottle, and we're gonna flip it. They just dropped my bottle. We're gonna flip it, and whoever wins gets to pick a cookie or a snake. So they get to pick what cookie they want. So we're gonna do that. So we just started playing with my brother, and he's already crying because he couldn't flip it, y'all. He's literally already crying, bro, because he didn't flip it. You get 2 tries. Okay, so he gets a cookie. Hey. Okay, so now my sister's gonna do it. She lost. We're actually not gonna do 2 tries. We're only gonna do 1 try. Okay, now my sister's and now my mom's gonna do it. Bro, it's my turn to do it. Aww. Okay, no. My brother wants to already get the cookie, bro. And whatever.
I think that was cheat, low-key. That was good.
I think it was cheating, bro. My dad. Y'all so weird. So literally from this round, only 2 people got. See.
I'm gonna cry.
Guess what, y'all? Second try and I got it. Now they're trying to do it, so pretty much whoever hasn't got a cookie is gonna flip the bottle. And if you already got a cookie, you don't get to flip anymore because then you're gonna get a lot of cookies. So
Okay, yeah.
okay, let's see if they can do it. They still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them still have not got cookie. Have not got a cookie. So
I really want the purple one.
and like there's only 2 of each flavor, so we're gonna see. No, it's good, Wesley. Okay, so my sister finally got the cookie. My brother is like raging right now because he wants to get a cookie, but he's not even doing it right. Like I'm trying to teach him, he's not even doing it right. Okay, Wesley. Okay, te tocaba a ti. It was Dad's turn. Okay, now these cookies are cute. Only my mom is left. Everybody else already got a cookie. She's the last one, bro. She's just not landing one. She's just not landing any of them. Oh! Finally, bro. So now for those 2, we're all gonna go since we already have a cookie. We're all gonna go one last round. Whoever will obviously gets it, then we'll go until somebody gets it. So here's how the meat is going. Yes, they're not putting it in the center because it's gonna burn. But they're putting it on the sides. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, bro. The onion. Y'all remember that one video that one guy who ate onion? Anyways, yeah, that's how it's looking. Okay, y'all. So the food is almost ready. So now, can't really see me, but anyways, we're gonna start getting the plates ready. Okay, y'all. So I just washed the avocados with the water. You can tell because they're like wet. Anyways, Ew, you like rub this. I'm gonna start by like cutting them like this. Oh my gosh, the ball! And then voila. I'm gonna make a. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So I mean 5. So I'm gonna just split them in half. These are kind of hard. Look how pretty it looks. My hair has gotten messier because of the wind. I'm just gonna be cutting this. So yeah, everyone's already hungry. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know. Can you guys even hear me? Is this mic even on? Is this even on? Is this even on? Oh yeah, it's on. Is it? Can you guys hear me? I'm kidding. They're celebrating a birthday over there. I don't know if you guys can hear the happy birthday song that they're singing. But they were like hitting a piñata. I like cut through the sticker. Um yeah. I'm into that for the
Yep, I forgot to turn my mic on, but I have my soda in my cup. It was time to eat already. This is how my plate looks. Almost let me fall, but I have my avocado, macaroni salad, my meat, and my homemade tortillas. Oh, delicious. It's gonna be so good.
Ocean blue, I came home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Don't you leave, now it's my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone.
Okay, y'all. So we finished eating. We were like so full. I'm like so full. I'm about to like explode. Like my button from my pants about to go out flying. Anyways, we're gonna go to the bathroom. Even though I don't really like using public restrooms because they're always like dirty and like yeah. But I kind of have to really go. I drank a lot of water because we were eating spicy chips, and I was drinking a lot of water. So now I need to use the restroom. We're all a little bit paranoid because it's rattlesnake season here, and they've already found a lot here. So we're like, I'm looking at the camera, but I'm also just like looking down. I don't want to like accidentally step on a rattlesnake. Like, yeah. Anyways, the bathroom was so close to where we were sitting. We were sitting like somewhere over there, and we're like right almost in front of the bathroom. It's a little bit chilly now, but yeah. Look how pretty that little stream is. You can't really see how pretty it is because it's like kind of dark, but so pretty. Look, it runs all the way over there. I'm gonna go risking to maybe get bitten by a rattlesnake, but I'm hoping there isn't one. Guys, so oh my gosh, they're literally jumping on the bridge. Yeah, there's a little waterfall right here. It's like really dark here, I can't really even see. It's from the pond that I told you guys when we first got here. We were looking for a table. Remember, we were like on that side. Oh my gosh, my camera. Yeah, so like we're coming out and there's so many flies, mosquitoes. Yeah, we did a whole like a whole lap around. I don't know. Yeah, because the bridge is right there. I know. So now I guess we're just going back to our car. You guys can see like the bugs just like. You have your flash on. Yes, I'm gonna officially end this video here. We were just walking right now. We're just sitting down at this bench, looking at the little pond, looking at the mountain. It's dark though, so yeah. So I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.